Hello, welcome to our video on why you should consider repairing old plaster. In this video, we will show you the main reasons and advantages of repairing old plaster not only for aesthetic reasons, but also for the protection and longevity of your home. Let's start with functional reasons. First, repairing old plaster helps to protect your walls from moisture, mold and frost and prolongs the life of your walls. Second, it improves thermal insulation and reduces energy costs. And thirdly, it helps with drainage and prevents water damage to the walls. Now let's talk about aesthetic reasons. Repairing old plaster improves the appearance of your home and increases its value. It also removes cracks and voids and ensures a smooth and cohesive surface. In addition, it helps to eliminate fungi and prevent their return, which is crucial for your health. Other reasons to consider repairing old plaster include preparation for painting and interior modifications. The decision to repair plaster depends on its age, condition, type of damage and repair costs. For more information, tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to follow us on social media. Stay tuned for more videos on how to properly repair cracks in plaster, common mistakes to avoid and how to achieve the perfect wall coating. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos.